Technology. The impact of technology on education. Hi there! Why is technology important in education? It connects us and brings what we do together, then grows it, enables smarter feedback. It replaces the old ways with better ways. It's social. It helps to ignite innovation. It's collaborative. Learning is anywhere at any time. We reach farther to real audiences. It disrupts but makes us more solid. Technology and innovation matter and can help us to transform education. Technology is essential. That is a fact that we cannot get away from at this point of time. Anywhere you look at and point your finger on is almost made up out of technology. Education is a part of it. No one can deny that. It has impacted education in a way that we cannot facilitate and work on education without having to use technology. Now, the crucial thing to discuss about it is that how can we maximize technology's potential without having to sacrifice the quality of education and learning? How do we go about that? Simply by following some steps needed to serve as guidelines. First, parents and teachers must be able to keep up with technology. This does not mean that you have to buy all newest form of machines or tools needed for learning. All you have to do is to be aware that such innovation, application, etc. is readily available for consumption. One must not be left behind in order to keep up with the demands of technology in education. One must be readily able to know from how to edit works to how navigate web pages, so that if given the opportunity to use such technology, you won't have to ask questions anymore. The key here is to be ready to learn on navigating these technologies and readying and opening your minds to ideas by reading various articles and researching materials to use in education. Be aware and be educated with updates on technology so that you will have something also to share to your students or to your children. Second, responsible internet access and usage. It is true that children should always be able to access the internet anytime in order for them to do their research, but bear in mind that using the internet comes with great responsibilities as well. As parents, we should at least restrict what the children are trying to access. We have to ensure that most of the things they tend to access are things that are viable for learning and will really help them in their studies. We could actually block them from nasty things in the internet. We could actually do it by blocking some of the sites that we think are not productive and harmful to them. There should also be an allotted time for them to use the internet so as to ensure that they use their time wisely and do not just waste it on accessing social medias that are mostly nuisance. Last but certainly not the least, have your children do some book reading instead. It may appear to be old school, but it will mold them to be more patient and resourceful in looking for answers and learning. This will not only help them in their education, but will be a good way in shaping them through life in general. They will be persistent but patient in dealing with these questions and research, and hopefully in dealing with life and the real world in the future. That's it. Thank you for listening, reading, and watching.